This is Fred with Fred's Auto Repair, and today I'm going to be taking you all to the junkyard with me. So stay tuned. Well, it doesn't look like they have anything new in the S10 section anyways. Yeah, just the same old here. But this old truck here is where I got that door for my truck from. So. Anyways, well, I'm going to keep on looking here. I don't think I need anything out of the OBS Chevrolet section, but just neat to see old trucks. Whole four-wheel drive. Here's the old square body section. Old single cab short bed looks like. Maybe it's long bed. Yeah, I think it's long bed. Not real keen on these old trucks anyways. I'm sure y'all are gonna roast me in the comments, but June Walker Chevrolet, Blue Ridge, Georgia. Ain't too far. Old four-wheel drive. That truck ran around Telco a long time. Old dually. What is this old thing? Old Ford. It's kind of neat. What in the world is that off of? Huh. Well, yeah, no, I'm not real sure on that. Anyways, well, I'm going to keep looking here. Well, I believe I'm going to pull these taillights out of this old truck here. Mine are busted. So, anyways, so they seem decent. So, anyways, I'll pull them out. I'll let you know what they came out to. Okay, well, I got them out, so I'm going to go up here and pay for them, see what they come out to. So, anyways, stay tuned. Okay, well, I just made it back, and the two taillights, they came out to $30, so ain't horrible. And they're decent. One's got a little bit of a crack, but it's a lot better than what I have anyways. See, this one's busted there. And then my passenger side's cracked up top there and on the side. And two over here. So let's get into changing these. Okay, what you want to do is you've got two 5/16 bolts here. I've got a 1/4-inch ratchet on these. Okay, and then I'm doing this one-handed here, so bear with me. It's got pins that just kind of just pop on out here. You just see here, I'm gonna have to pry a little bit on this little fella here to get it to come on out. Because I don't really care if I break this old one any worse than it already has been broken. There we go, and that is out. Okay. Now you got your light plug here, and all my lights are working on this thing. So I'm not going to change any bulbs. I'm just swap the plug around. Okay. Okay, it took a second, but I got it out. Take your new one and put them back in the same way that the bulbs came out. Okay. Okay. Just a second here. Let me see if I can't get this lined up off camera. Okay, I got it hooked up. So now you can see those pins a little better right there. And they go into those holes right there. Okay. That black pin goes right in there. Just push it. Push it back in here. Just give it a little tap and it's in. Now start your screws in here by hand. Okay. Don't want to go too tight on these because you don't want to bust the plastic. Just snug them down. Okay. Now for the other one. Okay, now for the other one. Same 5/16 here. Okay. Same thing for removing these. This one. Okay. Okay, same thing. It broke the housing on this taillights. Oh well, I'm not going to ever use those things on anything again. Okay. That one went in a little smoother that time. Okay. Just make sure everything's lined up again. Oh, I forgot to take out my old screws that I tightened back in there at the junkyard. Okay. Okay, and just down there, just tap it in. Okay. And start your screws in here. Okay, now you can get them with the ratchet. Okay. And now those look quite a bit better than my old ones did. As always, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you're ever in the Madisonville, Tennessee area, be sure to check out Kip and Ken over there at K&K Salvage. So anyways, I'll catch you in the next ones.